M0FXB, welcome back to the channel. I watched a video by Tech Minds the other day and he pointed out a program called PinPoint APRS. So I've decided to download that program. So here it is on the left, and it's described as free software that allows you to visually track and communicate with people using amateur radio. Now what I like about it is, yes, you can connect it to your TNC device. Like in the image here, we've got the Pico APRS and the Kenwood D75. They both have TNCs, they both have APRS. But there's also APRS IS built into this software. So you can just sit there and tinker with it without actually having a radio, and I like that. So big thanks to the developer. If we go to the downloads page, you'll see that it's AB0WV, that's Frank, and of course you can donate to this project and it helps fund the project. The next thing, we'll just click download. Now of course I've already downloaded this, but anyway we're still going to do it, and it's in our downloads folder, and there it is there, PinPoint. And when you're running this, you go next, next, next. You do get a little symbol at the bottom of your PC, you know, that you have to enable, and then it will run it and load the program, which I've already done, so I'm just going to close that for now. And just remember that if you are going to start connecting peripherals, you can use Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, also a serial connection as well. So remember, I'm not teaching here, I'm learning myself, yeah, in front of you. So anyway, let's go to open the program. I'm not connected to any of my devices. We'll go to, so straight away we get these two windows open, and we can resize them as we wish. I've also got APRS FI running in the background as well. If you've never used APRS FI, let me show you that. Type in APRS FI and you'll get this window here, and you can search. You know, it's pretty good for seeing all the activity on APRS. Just put in a call sign that you're interested in up here in the search. M0FXB, normally with a dash, say, let's just say 5, enter, and it will find them. And if it can't find them, it will tell you it can't. If I put in 7, let's try that. There you are. It's found the last time I was using 7, and it actually says here it's found me Pico APRS, yeah, a few minutes ago on the Pico that was sending out some traffic, and that's pretty cool. Just timed out, and I was actually connected to this software at the time. So let me just show you the configuration and the connections of this software. So I noticed that if you go to tools up here, then go down to options, you get this configuration window. On the far left we've got APRS, so you can put in your call sign and your -7, your path, choose the image that you want to use, and then you can enable it if you decided to use it as a digipeater. There's also the TNC configuration. Now many APRS devices have two modes. They'll have KISS mode, which is TNC. They'll also have APRS mode, which is sending out packets of APRS. So here you've got a long list, and they've got some radios selected, or you could just put network KISS mode and serial KISS mode, but you've got Kenwood THD7, it says 700. There's not lots and lots there. FTM 400 receive, and some ones Cantronics, not heard of them. But anyway, so you've got that configuration for TNC, and you can select the COM. If you connect your TNC device, you need to go Device Manager, and your comms will be here, your COM port number, but you do need to configure that within the device that you're using to tell it to use either your serial connection, which is a USB cable, your Bluetooth, or your Wi-Fi, and these selections can be made here as well. And this is your network KISS TNC settings here. See this, you've got the port and the IP or the URL that you've decided to use. Again, different selections for GPS, whether you want to use it via a GPS, a wired connection through your COM port, or GPS data coming from the TNC that you've got. You can see my little Pico is beeping away there, and that's connected to GPS independently. It's a fantastic little device. It doesn't need to be connected to anything. It's just chugging away quite nicely there. So over to maps, you've got lots of selections for maps, and then you've got the internet side. As soon as you enable, this is the bit that is fun if you haven't got a radio. As soon as you enable the IS, yeah, that's basically a link to the internet of the APRS system. Click OK, and well, mine just started working, but I didn't enable the gate. I just enabled the IS. 1 second. I think what I did, if I close, I went Tools, Connect APRS IS. There it is. There, look. I'll just show you this menu as well. You've got Connect, GPS, Send Position, Send Message, Send Bulletin, SMS, and so on. Look at it. It goes all the way down. And you've got View. You've got a GPS window there, which is not populating. Let's see what else. Com Monitor, Map Scale, Save Current Window, Size, Reset, etc. and Copyrights. You've got here Reports, Position Reports, Miscellaneous, Weather, APRS Report. So when I went Connect APRS IS, it all, see the beeping noise? It just started, lots of messages started coming in, even ones that I was sending on my equipment. And then you could see them, they were being queued up. And they start to appear here. See them all flying in? I think that's great fun. Now, I'm just looking at my device. The last one is coming in fast, MM7 on mine. So mine's, you know, the little Pico's picking up loads. So you can get lost in this stuff. I'm brand new to it. I'm just on my channel because I saw this on Tech Minds, giving you the links, giving you the info, and then you go off and do the learning. But yeah, fun. Bye for now.